Here is the game as I see it. It's not perfect, but as you scroll across, you shoot. You've got to be pretty consistent with your shooting. Hopefully it blows up, which it just did. Blow up again. Hopefully, if I can get a score of more than 2, that would be great. Yes, I did. Now I'm going to keep shooting, moving across, shooting. Yes. Yeah, and we'll go back across here. There's one coming down. Shooting. Yes. I'm now going to let it loose. Bang, gets to the bottom. I lose. Game over, and hopefully there's a score there. Let's have a look. Score is 6. So there you have it. It's working. Bit glitchy. You can play around with the timings and whatnot. A few of the problems that I could see with the script were that it just seemed to keep coming down, and I think that was because as you up here you had just keep marching down, and then you had delete the shooter and the grow man, which is the one that was touching with shooty. But then the next one that didn't get rid of it or didn't reset it, so that one on that square would disappear, but then the next one would appear. I think by saying set grow man to 0 like you do at the top here, it takes it back to the top if it decides to enact this if loop here. And I also put in a while loop here. So while grow man is less than 4, in other words, hasn't got down to the bottom, all of this is happening. Now, as soon as grow man gets the value of 4, we jump out of this while loop and it takes us to the game over, and that's what ends the game. Another problem with the program that may or may not be a problem, I'm not sure, is that the forever loop can be jumped out of to operate other forms of code, like these ones here. But I think if you've got too many forever loops, like more than one, you can have issues as well, which is why instead of having the automatic shooter, I've enacted this on button A plus B. So when you want to shoot on the actual microbit, if you load this code up, you'll be holding both buttons down to shoot and left and right to move left and right. So that is the code. I'll send you the link. You can have a look yourselves.